Ah, the breeze in my hair. If only. Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. I have been dying to open this for about 2.5 months. It's the IKEA Fornuftig air purifier. Is your air dirty? Ours is too. We've got lots of dust and pollen in the air. We've got so much, right? This has been sitting around for 2 months. I can literally write my name in the dust on this box. And ours has been caused by some building work like this. I tried to get a good shot just to show the amount of dust outside the home that's kind of coming in. We also had a sandstorm in this country a couple of months ago, and I wonder if that's coming into the house too. But let's go to IKEA now to buy this air purifier. This is me wandering the aisles with my kids, trying to find it. We got diverted slightly. And then when we found it, I saw how much it costs. Fornuftig, it's £55. And you can hang it up. Look, it's got holes, you can hang it up. We'll look at it properly in a minute when I take it home. So should I get one?
Yep.
What do you think?
I like this one as well though.
I like this one.
You have to buy loads of filters though, look.
Oh yeah. And I think it comes with a filter.
That
Oh, this is the special filter. This is the gas filter that it doesn't come with, that costs £10.
There's more.
But it doesn't say what it filters.
Gas?
Gas, my gases.
Yes. Put it in your room, you fart so much.
It's a dad gas filter. I think, should we get it? Can you film me picking it up?
Yes. It's going.
I know, I don't know what to say. I've got the £55 air purifier.
Scented candle.
And a scented candle. But I thought if we got a proper air purifier, that would be better than the slightly cheaper ones we've been using, which have been good. But I think we want something just a bit more powerful. And let's zap that baby. We couldn't find our IKEA family card that never works anyways. And then to here, where finally I get to open it on camera. This has been driving my family nuts because they've wanted to open this too. This is quite a lot of money to spend on on anything, just for something to suck something out of the air. I know from the other cheaper air purifiers that we've had, the amount of dust they collect is amazing, so I really hope this is going to help. Wow, this is gorgeous. Obviously this is how it comes out of the box. Unfortunately it has a bespoke cable connection for the power there, which will inevitably get lost. And there are some instructions in the box, but that's pretty much all that comes in the box. Is there a stand? Hey, there it is the stand. But let's look at the main unit itself. Now it comes with some instructions pinned on, because they know that you're not going to read these, even with all the pictures. Oh look, so if you take the front off like we did in the store, this just unclips really easily. And then inside each box comes a free £55 air purifier filter. Now you think this would be obvious, but just to let you know, the instructions show you that you need to take the filter out of the plastic bag to get it to work once you've bought the thing. So let's do that now. It does indeed have the holes in the back, so you can wall mount it either this way up or this way up. Let's put the dust and pollen filter in. In this country, this is £6. Here's what, about $10? And this air filter, it's kind of paper and it's got like a felt edge to make it fit snugly into here, like that. So it just pushes in really easily. And the other filter, which is more expensive than this, about $15, or for us it was £10, that sits underneath, and that's a gas filter. And that filters out things like, I'll put it up on the screen now, it filters out things like gases coming from formaldehyde and that kind of thing, or maybe the gases that come off all the junk that we buy from IKEA. And then this pollen or dust filter sits on top of that, so you could have both or just this one. And then this front cover, this front piece, pops into the holes on the edge here, so I'll push that in. Just don't throw your box away, because inside the box, very cleverly, IKEA have put a template. It's even got perforated edges, so you can cut it out like this. got 4 holes on the template there, so you can hold it on the wall, measure it out, do your drilling, get the screws up, and then mount it in exactly the right place there. The other thing it comes with is this stand, so you don't need to mount it on the wall. So let me show you the holes at the bottom of the Fornuf TIG air purifier, and you push this into the hole here, and then we can put this bar in the middle here, so you can stand it on a table or to just cover yourself up in YouTube videos. That looks really smart. It looks like some kind of smart speaker, doesn't it? I'll show you the controls in a moment, but the other thing they suggest in the instructions is that you can feed the cable round to hide the cable so it's flat. That's if you wanted the air purifier sideways, and this can come out the bottom. By the way, hello, I'm Neil, and I try something new every day, and today I am trying the IKEA air purifier, the Fornuf TIG. Let's plug it in now and see how it works, even though we're outdoors. And there is a really easy dial. Let's hold it up to the camera. It's really simple. It's just a dial, and you just turn it. It has 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. Setting 1 is pretty much silent. I mean, I know we're outdoors. Let's see how the IKEA Fornuf TIG air purifier sounds indoors, which might be a bit of a challenge in our very quiet family home. I'm going to set it onto setting 1 now, and I can feel a gentle breeze, but I can't hear anything. Is it on? It's definitely on. Wow, that is quiet. And then I'll put it onto setting 2, which is the medium setting. Now I can definitely hear that, and I think the microphone will pick that up. And then I'll take it up to the most powerful setting. Now I can definitely hear that. So you definitely wouldn't have it on full power if you wanted it on just running through the night, just cleaning your bedroom air. But if you turn it down to 1, I'll compare this to setting 1, the lowest setting. You could definitely have it on the lowest setting through the night. Hey, I wonder if I could put some tissue to show the power. So this is setting 1, and it's just ever so slightly blowing them up into the air. And then if I put it onto setting 2, that is quite a breeze. There's quite a lot of air being kicked out. And let's go full setting, max power. It's really quite powerful. Oh, I've got hair. This is only an unboxing first impressions review. I'll put something in the description if we have any issues or problems with this. I'll say how it's going down in the description below this video. If this video is helping, thanks for hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps me. And thanks for being awesome by hitting the subscribe button as well. And right here are all my other videos for IKEA stuff.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is gonna be the proper one, bye.